Tekka Thompson, Farm to Table Chef, and today we're talking about how to use a pineapple core. So here I've got a ripe, whole pineapple. I'm going to take my chef's knife and I'm going to just cut off the top and the bottom. And then I'm going to peel it lengthwise. This is very important because you can't really use the pineapple core without the peel off. All the way around. Almost there. Alrighty. So I'm just going to take all the rinds and put them in my little trash bowl. And then I am going to take my pineapple core. This is a pineapple core or a general fruit core. So I'm just going to take the center and put it in the center of the pineapple where the core is. And I'm going to use my weight to press it down. Like so. And then you just have the core right in the middle. Let me see if I can pull it out here. There's your core right there. And you have beautiful slices of cored pineapple ready to go for whatever you like. Cocktails, fruit, punch, on their own sides of breakfast. And there you go. I'm Chef Tekka Thompson. That is how to use a pineapple core. Thank you for watching.